classic vanilla cake recipe. Ingredients. For the cake: 1 cup, 225 g, unsalted butter, softened, 1.5 cups, 300 gram, granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 2.5 cups, 315 grams, all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoon batter, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup, 240 ml whole milk, 2 tsp vanilla extract. For the frosting, optional: 1 cup, 225, unsalted butter, softened 3/4 cups, 360-480, powdered sugar 2-3 tablespoon milk, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 350°4, 175°4. C. Grease and flour 2 8-inch round cake pans. 2. Cream the butter and sugar together in a large bowl until light and fluffy, about 3-5 minutes. 3. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 5. Add dry ingredients and milk to the butter mixture alternately, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. 6. Stir in the vanilla extract. 7. Divide batter evenly between the prepared pans and smooth the tops. 8. Bake for 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 9. Cool the cakes and pans for 10 minutes, then turn out onto a wire rack to cool completely. Frosting, optional. 1. Beat the butter until creamy. 2. Add powdered sugar gradually, mixing well. 3. Add milk and vanilla extract, and beat until fluffy. 4. Frost the cooled cakes.